Hi there, sixth graders. Mr. Curry here, and we are going to be talking about week 10 here. We're going to start Unit 3, and we're going to be looking at the physical geography of North America as our first week here. Now, Unit 3 is exploring geographic issues in the Western Hemisphere, so we're really going to be tying together the historic stuff we looked at, the beginnings of civilizations in the Western Hemisphere from last semester, and then looking, tying together the economic information and the political information that we learned in Unit 2 earlier this semester, and putting it all together for exploring geographic issues in the Western Hemisphere. So with that, as you look at our suggested schedule for the week, you will notice that Monday through Friday, we'll try and get everything done this week. This weekend, Saturday the 23rd, does start spring break. And then you have a week. There will not be any new material presented the Monday after this. So that whole week, so it's the 5 weekdays plus the 4 weekend days on either side. So actually 9 days where you won't have any new material. You, of course, have full access to your course. And what I would really, really like to see is that every single student is all caught up from week 1 all the way through week 10 of second semester by the time we come back in April. And I think it's April 2nd or 3rd that we'll get started again after spring break. But be a great time for everyone to get completely caught up. So you'll see the suggested schedule here. You'll see that we do have a quiz over North America that I'd like you to take once at the beginning and then, of course, again at the end of the week. We do have an assignment on vocabulary, and of course you know how to do the vocabulary. Remember, you need 2 definitions, a dictionary definition plus your own definition plus a picture. We have 8 vocab words for you to do. And then the physical features of the United States and the physical features of Canada. And you'll see that we will be doing stuff through Edgenuity, so the vocabulary videos, and then the Edgenuity quizzes, which will help get you ready to take the week 10 quiz again at the end. We do have a discussion board as well, so we have 3 things: the quiz, the vocab assignment, and discussion board for you to complete this week. Again, you know, as we go over, please go through your grade book, go through the Start Here folder for any questions you might have, but make sure you know where you stand in this class, what your grade is, any missing assignments, any assignments with a real low grade that I've mentioned you could do over again, all of those things. Make sure you have 100% on all of your quizzes. I'd really like to see everyone start real strong after spring break, and you will be able to work in this class and all of your classes over spring break. And so please use this time to get caught up. As I say here, usually it says the weekend if you're all caught up, relax. Still says that. If not, get caught up by Sunday, March 31st, and use this time to your advantage. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Good luck. Happy St. Patrick's Day and all that good stuff. Talk to you soon. Oh, and those of you on campus, we will be doing our first CMAS day on Wednesday. So see everyone there, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.